A man who lost rights to his child because that baby was born during an affair with a married woman is not giving up his fight. He wants to be part of that child's life, and he's taken his case to the Michigan Court of Appeals.
The 7 Action News investigators first told you about this unusual case, which is the result of a little-known law that passed last summer. Scott Lewis is here now with the latest developments in this story. Scott?
Joanne, what's new is that the father who was cut out of his child's life is challenging the constitutionality of the new law. He lost in a lower court, but he's determined to have some connection to the son who was the product of an affair.
The Honorable Court of Appeals of the state of Michigan is back in session.
Back in session to deal with an emotional and thorny legal issue. Should this man, Aaron Grimes, be denied access to his son because the child was born during an affair with a married woman, Shanita Van Hook Williams, while she was married and he knew it? A little-known law passed last summer called the Revocation of Paternity Act says when that happens, the mother gets to decide whether the biological dad will be part of the equation. In this case, the mother said no. She and her husband are raising the child, and Grimes is left out in the cold.
The legislature has made a choice that in certain circumstances, if you engage in a relationship with a married woman, there are only certain exceptions on which you will be able to challenge the paternity of that child.
But Grimes is not going down without a fight. His lawyer argues that this new law, never tested in a higher court, is unconstitutional because it denies equal protection under the law.
Because if it was an unmarried woman, no one says, give me that baby and give it to my married lover and his wife. And it's not like a football and you're playing keep away. His rights should be the same as her rights.
But the attorney for the mom, Van Hook Williams, argued that Grimes knew that she was married from the onset of the 4-year relationship, and the law is the law.
In order for this statute to be changed, it is a legislative matter. The trial court did not err because the statute is clear, and the judge at the trial court followed the law, Your Honor.
Do you have any more hope after what you heard in the courtroom today?
I still have hope. My overall thing is I just want to be a father to my son, so I'll never give up hope on that.
The judges noted that there's precedent in the Supreme Court and in 100 years of common law supporting statutes that are designed to keep the family unit together. Grimes' attorney pointed out that the mother was not acting to keep her family together when she engaged in a 4-year-long affair. The court will now study written briefs, and a decision will probably be weeks or maybe even months away. I'm Scott Lewis, 7 Action News.
Okay, Scott, thank you very much.